In 1949, Eric Hazeldene, a captain in the Royal Corps of Engineers, conceived an ambitious plan while sailing from Africa to the United Kingdom. He envisioned a budget automobile that could sell for £100 sterling, achieve 50 miles per hour, and deliver 50 miles per gallon fuel economy. This vision would materialize into the Hazelcar, one of Britain's most intriguing automotive experiments. Eric partnered with his brother Roy to establish a garage business in Saltdean near Brighton. The first prototype emerged in 1950, initially featuring an Indian flat-twin motorcycle engine. This power plant proved inadequate, forcing the brothers to source an alternative. They settled on a Ford 933 cubic centimeters four-cylinder side valve engine, compact yet powerful enough to propel the 508 kilograms two-seater to 60 miles per hour. The Hazelcar's construction combined a channel-section steel chassis with draped aluminum panels. Engineering specifications included hydraulic brakes borrowed from the Morris Minor MM, rack and pinion steering, and beam axles suspended by quarter-elliptic springs. The car's most distinctive feature was its 8-inch wheels, which gave it a comical appearance despite competent engineering underneath. Purchase tax inflated the final price to £350, making it nonetheless the cheapest new production car in Britain at its 1950 launch. The brothers entered the November 1950 Daily Express 1,000-mile reliability trial to demonstrate quality. Their impressive performance generated 60 orders within weeks, with production planned at 1 car weekly, expanding to 75 annually. Then disaster struck. The Korean War erupted, and Ford ceased engine supplies. Experiments with Coventry Climax engines from fire pumps failed due to insufficient power. The brothers pivoted to electric propulsion, partnering with the Battery Manufacturing Association in 1952 to produce the BMA electric two-seater runabout. The electric variant replaced the rear-mounted petrol engine with a specially designed 1.5 brake horsepower electric motor powered by 9 6-volt batteries positioned in the nose. A 4-speed gearbox with double-reduction chain drive and switch-operated reverse transmitted power. Claimed performance included 20 miles per hour maximum speed and 60-mile range, though actual capabilities varied dramatically with load and terrain. At 535 pounds, the electric Hazelcar proved commercially unviable. A van variant, the Hazelvan, sold only 2 units. The garage closed in 1952, and Eric emigrated to Canada. Eric later estimated total production at approximately 25 vehicles sold to Ceylon, Switzerland, Denmark, and other countries, with roughly 6 being electric models. Today, 3 electric BMA Hazelcars and 2 petrol versions reportedly survive, representing a fascinating footnote in British automotive history.